Well, hi everyone. Today we are going to be making another really yummy drink, and this is called Amish Celebration Punch. And these are the ingredients that we're going to be using today. And Celebration Punch, the Amish use this punch, any kind of celebration, birthdays, weddings, any kind of special event. So we're going to put our own little spin on it, but I just wanted to show you the ingredients. We need fresh lemon because we're going to squeeze about a half a cup of lemon, orange slices, but you can choose any fresh fruit or frozen fruit, ginger ale, obviously we need a pitcher, fresh orange juice, and the recipe calls for grape juice, but I am using cran pomegranate, and you can use whatever juice you like. That's what's great about this recipe, is you can kind of tailor it to your own taste. Okay, so first we are going to add a couple cups of the cran pomegranate juice. And again, you can use any kind that you would like. And we're just gonna eyeball that. I love cranberry and pomegranate together. It's one of my favorites. So super easy. And then we're gonna put our orange juice. And this is just, a bottle of orange juice, like a 12 fluid ounce bottle of orange juice. You can also double or triple this recipe depending on the group that you're having. And the next thing we're going to add is the ginger ale. Now, if you were making a big punch bowl, you could add a 2-liter bottle, but I'm just adding, this regular bottle of ginger ale. And that gives it the little bubbly that we all like, making it special for the Amish for a celebration. This is a non-alcoholic drink because the Amish, they do not drink alcohol. But there's the little bubbles, which makes it just a little bit, more special. And then we're just gonna give it a little stir. And then we are going to add, I cut this lemon in half, and we need about a half a cup of fresh orange or lemon juice. And let's see if I can squeeze this guy without getting seeds. Oh, there it goes. That's a juicy lemon. And, if you like more lemon, you can add more lemon, but the recipe calls for just about a half a cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Oh boy, this is really juice. This might be getting a little bit more than a half a cup, but that's okay. Stick that there. And then the last step is you're just going to add your fresh fruit. And the recipe calls for about 4 cups of fresh fruit. Now, I'm only making this pitcher. I'm not making a big, giant punch bowl. So I have about a cup and a half of fresh orange slices. And again, you can use any kind of fresh or frozen fruit. So I'm just going to plop these in there. Look how pretty that looks. We'll just stir them down there to get that orange flavor infused in the punch. And then I'm going to put the lid on it, and we're going to put this in the fridge and just let it chill for a little bit and let the flavors kind of go through the punch of the lemon juice and the fresh orange slices. So we'll check back in about a half an hour. And then I'll just clean up my mess, and this is such an easy thing to make, but while that's chilling, I'll just put these things away and wash up. All right, and look how pretty that turned out. The color is like orangey pink. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna pour a little bit. I'm gonna make this for my husband and I for dinner. He's gonna love this. And I just garnished it with a little orange slice, but I'm gonna sneak a little bit right now and just try this. Oh yeah, that's so good. You guys, this is so good. It's just really refreshing, and the ginger ale in there gives it a nice bubble, and it's, kind of healthy with all the fresh juices and fresh fruit. So definitely give this a try. And if you try it, let me know how you like it, because this is great. I love it. And I love that you can just make it your own kind of juice. You can use any kind of fruits or juices to make it your own special celebration punch. So have fun, try Amish Celebration Punch, and have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching.